Recurring ant infestations after repeated use of homemade borax ant killer mean the colony structure or attractant strategy is not being fully addressed. First, reassess bait placement and concentration. Use a lower borax concentration so worker ants can carry it back to the nest before dying, typically about 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of sugar water, and place it along known trails and near entry points in small, covered containers to protect pets and children. Second, diversify attractants because different ant species prefer different foods. Rotate sweet, fatty, and protein baits such as sugar water, peanut butter mixed with a little borax, and canned tuna with a pinch of borax to catch scouts of varied diets. Third, track and follow ant trails at night with a flashlight because many species forage after dark, and place baits where you see heavy traffic rather than where you guessed they might be. Fourth, seal entry points by inspecting baseboards, door and window frames, and utility penetrations. Use silicone caulk for cracks less than 1/4 inch wide and foam, or weather stripping for larger gaps. And pay attention to gaps around pipes, under sinks, and behind appliances. Fifth, reduce moisture sources since ants are attracted to damp areas. Fix leaky pipes, run exhaust fans, and keep gutters clear so the exterior foundation remains dry. Sixth, maintain sanitation by cleaning up spills immediately, storing food in sealed containers, and removing pet food overnight so baits remain the most attractive option. Common mistakes include using too high a borax concentration which kills workers before they reach the nest, so lower the ratio and test placement to ensure transfer to the queen. Another frequent issue is relying on a single bait type that some ant species ignore, so rotate sweet and protein options until you identify what they prefer. A third problem is ignoring structural entry points and moisture problems, which continually invite ants back, so combine baiting with targeted sealing and moisture mitigation for a longer-term fix. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, connects homeowners with local contractors who can help identify species, seal entry points, and fix moisture issues contributing to infestations. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where homeowners and pros share field-tested tips and ask follow-up questions.